Does my college kid need an estate plan? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra, and I'm an estate planning lawyer in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular people like you and me. So this time of year is always pretty special because all those college acceptance letters are coming out and those returning freshmen are landing back at home. And it brings to mind an important consideration that we as parents very often overlook, and that is, does my adult child, sounds like a contradiction, but does my child who's over the age of 18, does he or she need an estate plan? And the answer to that is quite clearly yes. In fact, the most important part of the estate plan that your child needs, even if they're not going away to school, they may be in the military or they may be just living apart from you, or even frankly living under the same roof. If they're over the age of 18, they need this. You need to have an advanced healthcare directive in place, or they need to have an advanced healthcare directive in place, naming their healthcare agent as being the person responsible for making healthcare decisions if they're not able to make them themselves. Now, there are lots of bad stories, again, having to do with college age kids who get into mischief and somehow or sometimes are incapacitated as a result. Well, you'd be shocked to know that you, as their parent, don't have the right to make medical decisions for them if they're over the age of 18, unless they have this document in place. So I'd say at a bare minimum, your child absolutely needs to have a healthcare directive. Also, a HIPAA authorization, a global HIPAA authorization, which says who can see their medical records. You don't want to have to travel all the way to school or all the way to wherever they're living and find out that you can't get access to their medical records. You don't know what's going on. So they need to have a HIPAA authorization in place. And then, of course, it's really important to have a power of attorney and a will done. So this is really good, aside from the practical reasons, for two other points. One, it puts them in the mindset of doing estate planning on their own behalf. And secondly, it creates a plan that can grow with them. Now, we've developed a free guide titled Assisted Adulting, the Essential Estate Planning Tools for Young Adults. And it's a guide for parents. Happy to send that to you for free. Our contact information is at the end of this video. Just drop me a line and we'll send you that free guide for your use. Again, I'm Neil Tyra. I do estate planning for regular folks like you and me, and I'd love to have the opportunity to chat with you.